Hello guys, welcome to Trove, Traveling with Vic's Edit channel on YouTube. If you are a toy lover and visit Japan, I have a recommendation for one of the best places to find rare toy items across the country. The store is called Hobby Off. This store is part of the Off group, like Book Off and Hard Off, but Hobby Off focuses on hobby items, especially toys, figures, model kits, trading cards, and collectibles. What makes it special is that most items are pre-owned but in great condition, and you can often find rare or discontinued toys that are hard to get anywhere else. Whether you're into robots, vintage Hot Wheels, anime figures, Gunpla, or even retro consoles, Hobby Off is like a treasure hunt. Some stores have glass display cases filled with limited edition action figures or classic items from the 80s and 90s. There are so many vintage toys here. What amazed me even more was the condition. It was well preserved, complete with all its parts, and still looked powerful and nostalgic. Finding something so rare, especially outside a collector's event, made my visit to Hobby Off even more unforgettable. It reminded me why I love toy hunting so much. It's not just about collecting, it's about reconnecting with pieces of our past. And the best part? Prices are usually affordable, and you can find real gems if you're patient. You can find Hobby Off in many cities across Japan, from Tokyo to Osaka, Kyoto, Nagoya, and more. Each location has different stock, so visiting more than one is part of the fun. If you love collecting or just want to experience the nostalgia of childhood toys, Hobby Off is definitely worth adding to your Japan trip itinerary. I can spend a lot of time here. So many toys that already long gone in the market.
Sale, sale, sale. Off, off, off. Shop, shop, shop. Oh, I'm so happy. There is so much to do. I hope.
If you love diecast like Tomica or Hot Wheels, then Hobby Off is a paradise you shouldn't miss. If you are lucky, you can find rare limited edition models that are hard to get elsewhere. Tomica is everywhere in Japan, even in convenience stores and department stores. But for serious collectors, look for Tomica Premium or the vintage lines in here.
Travel with train and bus. Travel with train and bus.
One toy I found is Godsigma. It's my childhood toy from the 1980s, and seeing it again brought back so many memories. I was instantly taken back to those simpler days, watching robots on TV, Voltes 5, Godsigma, Goshogun, Google 5, Gavan, Mazinga, Lion Man, Megaloman, Kamen Rider, you name it. I'm a child here. I want to buy it all. There's just something magical about being surrounded by toys I used to dream about. So many memories come flooding back. The colors, the shapes, even the sound of the packaging, it all brings me back to the days when life was simple and playtime was everything. This one is DeLorean, Back to the Future car. And vintage 2003 Bandai Machine Robo Rescue MRRK Boy phone. I found this little Gundam. For Gundam lovers, Japan is truly a dream destination. Whether you're a longtime fan of the anime or a Gunpla builder, there's something for everyone. You'll also find rare or vintage Gunpla at Hobby Off. Some still sealed, others built with amazing detail. For Tamiya lovers, Hobby Off is a hidden gem you absolutely must visit. Whether you're into mini 4WD cars, classic Tamiya kits, or rare parts and accessories, there's always something exciting waiting on the shelves. As for Hot Wheels, although they're originally American, Japan still has exclusive series, collector editions, and sometimes rare imports you won't easily find at home. Keep looking. So much Gundam here.
Sale, sale, sale. Off, off, off. Shop, shop, shop. Oh, I'm so happy. There is so much to do. I hope I have more time. I will come back again to get lost.
Whether you're into JDM, muscle cars, or fantasy castings, hunting diecast in Japan is an exciting adventure. You never know what hidden gem you'll discover next. I found a yellow Honda S2000, one of my all-time favorite cars. For diecast collectors, finding this kind of model in good condition feels like hitting the jackpot. It's not just a toy, it's a piece of automotive art in miniature form. That's the thrill of hunting in places like Hobby Off. Hobby-off stores in Japan are generally open from 11 in the morning until 8 in the evening, Japan Standard Time. These hours apply to most locations across the country. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more stories from Tokyo and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment below. What is your Japan favorite toys? Thank you for watching.